Hi, I'm Lily. How are you? Let's talk about my day. It's 6 a.m. I get up at 7 a.m. every morning. I take a shower. Brush my teeth. I feed my dog and cat. I have my breakfast. I eat a banana and have a cup of coffee. I take my dog for a walk. I work from home. I start at 9 a.m. and work till 1 p.m. It's 1 p.m. and it's lunch time. I have a chicken noodle soup. I check my Facebook and watch some YouTube videos. Then I work from 2 to 6 p.m. It's 6 p.m. It's time to turn off my laptop. I take my dog for a walk. Then I stay at home and have my dinner. I make a salad with spinach, cucumber, and tomato. I feed my dog and cat. I watch some more videos on YouTube. It's late. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Good night. Tell me about your day.